Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda HR-V headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and your replacement bulb. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. You'll need to access the headlight assembly, which is typically found by turning the front wheels and working through the wheel well liner. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. To get to the bulb, begin by turning your front wheels fully to the side opposite the headlight you're working on. This provides crucial space. Next, carefully remove a few plastic clips or screws securing the wheel well liner. You can usually do this with a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool. Once the fasteners are out, gently pull back the liner to reveal the back of the headlight assembly. Be careful not to damage the liner. Now for the replacement. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb by pressing a tab and pulling. Then, unclip or twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from its housing. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Secure the new bulb by twisting it clockwise or reclipping it, then firmly reattach the electrical connector. Test the light before reassembling. With the new bulb in place, carefully push the wheel well liner back into position and resecure all the clips and screws you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is snug and no parts are loose. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test both headlights to confirm they are working correctly and properly aligned. This ensures your safety and visibility on the road. Also, for other great deals, and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.